it's me again. I was doing some work and I thought I'd ponder something on, ask my viewers out there. I have these cables, right? This is a foot brake cable for a Honda Big Red 250 ES. This one and this one are supposed to be the same cable. Both came off Big Reds. See the difference? This is the end right here. And this is the other end. The short one is 24 and 7/8 roughly, that I could flatten it out. The other one is 26 and 3/8. Neither one of these works. Neither one of these cables works whatsoever. The only thing I could possibly think of is remove the spring on the back, maybe. I'm at my wit's end trying to figure out how the hell to get this thing to work. The short one here, the newer one, the shorter one here, barely like it gets brakes, but the pedal goes down like to here. The pedal should go, go down a little, not 4 inches, like almost right around. And I'm just wondering, like, does anybody know what the hell cables like go on the bike? Like, is there some set length? Like, is this an SX, a TRX, 4X, whatever X cable? I'm pretty sure these are the wrong cables. And I ordered a Big Red brake cable, and I'm curious to see. I'm pretty sure, like, these are two old ones. This one clearly has a problem. This one came off of a botched job, so this is pretty sure this is not the right one. And this one may have came off a botched Big Red, but if you look at it, like, they're generally the same cable. They got a few things, like, they're pretty much the same. They're definitely a Honda cable, but they both look different there. See, the two ends are pretty much the same. They both fit in the end. These ends are both the same, rusty and crusty, and this one's got a nice little gouge in the side, which is fine. Both cables work. They're rusty. I just want brakes. That's all I want. Now I'm curious. I have to take the whole front end off, but this is a KTX Pro front brake cable. So I'm like, do I have to put front brakes on it now? Because the back brakes, I'm still like wondering about a cable. And so I'm gonna probably have to go online and check to see what is the proper length of a, what do you call it? A Honda Big Red cable, just to see. Because the Honda doesn't make them anymore, so apparently all the Chinesium ones just seem to have all the wrong size cables. This one I can make a new one of. Like this, I can easily chop this off and rebarrel this. I have no clue on how the hell to make a new mold of this. Like, I mean, I probably could if I really wanted to. I mean, it's a big giant thing like this. So I probably could drill a hole this way, drill a hole that way, block it off here with copper and pour molten lead in there, pack the cable in, and maybe get it a little bit shorter. But the actual cable itself, if I shorten this end on here, I also have to shorten the case. So I mean, I have to find some place that makes cables and try to get it. Like, I'm almost certain if it was an inch shorter, it'd probably work. But I'm baffled. I can't get the brakes to work so somebody else told me to try a Motion Pro cable. So I'm gonna order one of those and see if that works. See what the length is. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope anybody who has a 3-wheeler can help me. I'm gonna ask in a whole bunch of 3-wheeler boards, see what goes on. Thanks for watching. Toodles.